Hello friends, I welcome you to this class. So in this class, I'll be showing you how you can create citation and a bibliography using Digital Object Identifier, usually known as DOI. Now, I'll be working with this example. Now, this is the title of a material I have found at the course of my searching, and I want to cite this article using its DOI. Of course, it's a time-saving method because let me pick the first one. Right click. Now you right click. Now you see that this is the DOI. So you can copy this number. It's gonna be useful for citation after that. So it's a number you use. It can be alphanumeric. It can be a combination of numbers and alphabet. It can also be alphabet only. It can be numbers only. Now, there are many sites you can use to achieve the purpose. I'm going to share one of the sites you can use, and that's zbib.org. So open zb, type in zbib.org. Okay, press enter. Yes, you can enter URL SBA DOI. So a lot of things. So I'm working with DOI. So supply the DOI. We have copied. You can paste it, and after you've pasted it, click on Cite. Now, so this is now scroll down. We discover that the default citation style is Modern Language Association 8th edition. Now, let's say you want to adopt. You are working with APA 7th edition, so you click this site. Now, you have over 9,000 citation styles that are available that you can work with. But since we are working with APA, so click on APA. Okay, yes, the only thing you have to edit is going to be, it needs to be in a sentence case. So you can go ahead and say you edit it. Now, how to do that? Now, you will observe that the title is not in sentence case, and that's what we need to make it to be in sentence case. So click in the middle of this reference, click like this. Yes, so only the title, that's the only little thing you just do, put it in and click on done. Now if you want to cite the article, you can click on this. Yes, let me cancel it. If you put it there, copy what citation, click on it. Now if you have paraphrased the article, just click on copy citation. But let's say you have copied word for word, what you have to do is put the page number. Let's say I copy from page 73, so page 73. Yes, that is word for word. When you did not paraphrase the idea or the words of the author, click on copy citation, copy it. And the one you have copied, you can open Microsoft Word, can copy paste. Can see that? That is for the citation. And sometimes there could be issue, maybe at the point there could be issue with some citation, maybe the way it was entered. Now you can do just a little edit. Now it should be the surname. So the surname, you can leave it like that. So the next thing is to generate a citation. So you can export in various ways. You can decide to download, copy, use download RIs, download BIs, save to Zotero, and these are the alternatives. So I'll be using this option, copy to clipboard. So copy to clipboard. Since I've copied this, all I have to do is to paste it. Can you see? So that is APA 7th edition. So this is how to use DOI of an article to create a citation and also a bibliography. If you learn how to create citation using DOI of an article, so if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can get alert for subsequent uploads. Thank you for watching.